This is your no bullshit review of Russell's Reserve 10 Year. So what can I say about Russell's Reserve 10 Year? Well, it's definitely worth the price, it's worth the purchase, and I think you're going to like it. It is very well rounded, it's distinct. If you're looking for a comparison, I would say Rare Breed is a comparison. If you like Rare Breed, or even Wild Turkey 101, it's very similar in the profile. The only thing that you're gonna notice if you like Rare Breed is this isn't as hot. It's not as harsh, it's not as bitey because Rare Breed has more proof to it than what the Russell's Reserve does. As far as numbers go, sweetness is a 7. It's super easy to drink. It doesn't run hot, like harshness is a 2. It's really, really low. Not really any floral. Complexity is a 5. Smoke, about a 3. And body's a 4. It's not heavy feeling on the tongue. Super easy to drink. It's a little bit less bitey, like I said, compared to Rare Breed. Another one that is similar would be Buffalo Trace. So if you like Buffalo Trace, you can definitely try Russell's Reserve, and I think you're gonna like it if you like Buffalo Trace. Those are definitely the comparables to this one. As far as the value goes, you're gonna spend probably around $40 for this, which I don't think is horrendous. You're gonna spend more for the Rare Breed. Buffalo Trace is around 25. This is about 40, so it's a little bit pricier. Value's probably 5 or 6 because it's a really good bourbon, and I think overall it's one of the better ones that are out there. Particularly if you're not really into bourbon, or if no one's really into bourbon, and you grab this, I don't think you're gonna be let down whatsoever. So if you guys have any questions or anything, let me know. Until next time, later.